Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you want to do is you want to check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. This is very important because if your charger is damaged, either the charging brick or a cable, it can already make your fast charging not working. That's why we want to make sure that we have a working charger. We can also check different outlets. We can test another fast charger, but make sure that your charger is compatible. What are we going to do next is we're going to clean our charging port. So we got our charging port at the bottom right here. And what we want to do here is we want to make sure that there's nothing inside. So even you guys can see that it is clean for me. But if it's not for you, then I will recommend using something like an air compressor or a soft brush. The air compressor definitely works better, but still you guys can easily just get something and clean it without any issues. Now what you guys want to do is go over and check if you have the latest software update. So let's go over into the settings. Now there's no way you can enable fast charging in the settings on your Honor. So all you really need to do here is make sure that you're on the latest software version. Here, fast charging is enabled by default. Once it detects that your charger can do the output of fast charging, it automatically switches to it. So now we're going to check for our software updates. We're going to scroll down, go to System and Updates, and click on Software Update. And it is checking for the latest version now. I am up to date, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that you're on the latest version and that there are no glitches on your device. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.